Hello all, welcome to Narud Masters Academy. Today's important topics in our current affairs. Let's see the first topic. South India's first leopard safari opens at Bannerghatta. So at the Bannerghatta Biological Park, that is BBP, it is in Bengaluru. It is South India's first and biggest leopard tour was just opened by the Environment Minister Ishwar Khandre. This important event is a turning point in India's attempts to protect wildlife and promote wildlife tourism. The next topic, what is e-rupee? And it is also India's digital currency. And what is India's digital currency? Let's see. Number of deals involved India's digital currency. The e-rupee has dropped sharply, falling to a tenth of what it was in December. At the end of the last year, there were 1 million retail sales every day. Now there are only 1 lakh transactions every day. The e-rupee was launched on December 1st, 2022 by the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) as a central bank digital currency, that is CBDC. It is a digital equivalent of traditional rupee and designed to function as legal tender for all types of financial transactions. The next topic, Lieutenant General N.S. Rajasubramani appointed as new Vice Chief of Army. See, the government of India has officially approved Lieutenant General N.S. Rajasubramani as the next Vice Chief of Army Staff. He will start his new job on 20th June. This choice was made as Lieutenant General Upendra Dwivedi, who is currently Vice Chief, gets ready to become Chief of Army Staff when General Manoj Pandey retires on 30th June. The next topic, how will Next topic, how will generative alliance of artificial intelligence conclave in Kochi impacts Kerala? How will generative artificial intelligence conclave in Kochi impacts Kerala? An international conference on generative artificial intelligence will be held in Kochi on 11th July to 12th July. This was started by the government of Kerala. As a result of working with the global tech company IBM on this event, Kerala has taken a big step towards new technologies and economic growth. Gavi supports rabies vaccines from Global Eradication Supports. Recently, Gavi, the Vaccine Alliance, increased its supports to include rabies vaccines for humans in regular immunization programs, focusing on export prophylaxis, that is PEP. This program aims to incentivize efforts worldwide to fight rabies, especially in areas where the disease is most common. The next topic, what is the enemy agent's audience law? Recently, recently comments from R.R. Swanin, who is the General Director General of Police in Jammu and Kashmir, show his complicated security measures are in the area. Swanin suggested that people catch helping militants should be charged under the strict enemy agents ordinance of 2005, which has harsh punishment like life in jail or death penalty. The next topic, Indian Institute of Science develops 3D hydrogel to study TB research. New research at the Indian Institute of Science, Bengaluru, has led to a potential advance in tuberculosis, that is TB study. The Department of Bioengineering has created a new 3D hydrogel culture system similar to mammals' lung environment. This system will help researchers better understand about the tuberculosis infections and see how well medicines work. The next topic, first International Dairy Federation Asia Pacific Summit held in Kochi. The first IDF, International Dairy Federation Regional Dairy Conference Asia Pacific 2024 will be held in Kochi from June 26th to June 28, 2024. It will bring together experts from around the world to talk about new ideas and problems in the dairy industry. The Union Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairy, the National Dairy Development Board, and the International Dairy Federation, that is IDF, are some of the most important groups involved. The conference is set at Grand Hyatt, that is Bolgatti. What is microphage? New discoveries in immunology have shown how important microphages are for fighting diseases and helping tissues heal. The important discoveries made by researchers like Dr. Fernando Martins Estrada from the University of Surgery has opened it up to a whole new areas of study into how macrophages work and how they get activated. The next topic, who is Mark Rutte? And next Secretary General of NATO. And who is next Secretary General of NATO? NATO has named Dutch Prime Minister Mark Rutte as its new Secretary General. This becomes as the conflict in Ukraine countries and the US future relationship with the alliance is being talked about on 1st October. Rutte will take over the job from Jens Stoltenberg of Norway. The next topic, small satellite launching vehicles. First dedicated commercial launch by ISRO in 2026. Indian Space Research Organization, that is ISRO, has a business arm called New Space India Limited, that is NSIL. It has announced the first commercial launch of its newest rocket, the Small Satellite Vehicle Launch Vehicle, that is SSLV. This Optimus satellite, which was made by the Space Mission Company in Australia, will be spaced during this historic event. The news was shared at the Indian Space Congress and marks a big step forward in India and Australia's work together in space. The next topic, China France satellite, the study of universe explosive events. China and France launched the Space Variable Object Monitor, that is SVOM, from the Zhejiang Satellite Launch Center in Sichuan province on June 22nd. The launch went well. After working together on an oceanographic satellite in 2018, this is the first time that the two countries have worked together as an astronomical study of the magnitude and as well as the gamma rays burst, that is GRBNs. GRBNs are the some of the most powerful and strange events in universe. SVOM is meant to help us to learn about more about them. The next topic, Srinagar, World's Craft City by World Crafts Council. Let's see what's about the Srinagar. Srinagar, the largest city of the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, has recently been designated as the World Craft City by the World Crafts Council. The office of the Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir, Manoj Sinha, shared this honor on social media. The next topic, Prasar Bharati to launch family-friendly OTT platform by August. The Indian government-run broadcaster Prasar Bharati wants to start its own over-the-top, that is OTT, streaming service by August. The service will offer material that shows Indian culture and society while still being family-friendly. The project is a direct reaction to what people think are content problems on private OTT service like Netflix and Hotstar. The next topic, what is balloon protein? Recently, scientists made a big finding in microbiology. It involves a special protein called balloon. This protein helps the bacterium, Psychobacterium altrovarians, go into and come out of a dormant state when its environment changes. This new study, which came out on February 14th in the journal Nature, shows how the bacteria can adapt to life in harsh conditions also.